welcome to another episode with me, the Bassinator. I'm on my way to Durendry for the TBC Classic, the Top 15 Classic. Should be fun. It's going to be a 2-day event. Today's Friday, so we will be arriving there today. Saturday morning we will be starting the comp at Durendry, and hopefully we can catch some big bass for you guys in this video. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm about 40 minutes away from Durendry campsite, and yeah, take it from there. Sweet, cheers. Welcome guys, good morning. This is day one of the TBC Classic Champs. Yeah, Durendry, and we are on the water, 6 o'clock in the morning, and we are about to get the fishing going. I've been throwing crank around these rocks a little bit. Let's see how that goes, a nice deep diver, and yeah, let's check it out. Let's hope day one produces some good fish. Yeah, let's see how the day goes. Enjoy it. So I'm fishing a bit of a deep diving crank in and around these shallows here, against these rocks. A couple of little trees sticking out the water, hoping something's situated by the trees or sitting next to a rock or something. See how that goes. Morning's actually quite warm. The guys were saying it was going to be cold, but not bad at all. Water temperature is sitting at 20 degrees, so it's looking good.
Oh, wrong.
So I'm fishing a bit of a deep diving crank in and around these shallows here, against these rocks. A couple of little trees sticking out the water. So guys, it's 3 o'clock now. We've got 3 more hours, fishing till 6. I've only got one small fish, which I caught when the camera was off, typical. But it's been a tough day. I had a few bites, but no fish to show. So yeah, one fish that weighs probably only 300 or 400 grams, and that is it. Hopefully in the next 3 hours I can get 2 good fish. So guys, it was a tough day on the water, so day one didn't go as expected for me. I only managed to get 2 fish, and it was right near the end. So yeah, not much footage of fish catching from me. But let's see, we've still got day 2. Anything can happen. Anyone can still take this whole competition. It all depends on the big fish. So yeah, let's see how day 2 will go. Make sure to keep on watching for day 2. Peace.
Day 2.
this is day 2, and I've been fishing most of this morning with no luck. I haven't even caught one. So both days for me have been super tough. I just can't pick up a fish. This morning I lost one, but I don't know what size that was. Just took my baits, pulled hard, and then came off. So yeah, it's just one of those days where things are just not going right for me, or one of those weekends. But anyways, let's see. I've still got about an hour and a half to go. Let's see if I can pick anything up. Sweet. Day 2 has come to an end, and it didn't turn out very good for me. Didn't manage any fish at all, just couldn't get on to a fish. I had one bite the whole morning. I think a lot of guys actually struggled with day 2. Not many people actually got fish, and then the few guys that actually did it right yesterday picked up 1 or 2 fish, so you know, to keep their bags up there. So it's not going to be crazy size bags at the end, but yeah, it is what it is. It was a tough one, but anyways, so let's check out the results. We will be having prize giving in a short while, and we will see what's what.
Fortunately, not everyone can win. So, it's not like the... Then, what was also nice was at day 1, not one of you blanked. And this dam is a difficult dam. I mean, if you catch 10 fish, really good day. So, but yeah, no one blanked, which was awesome. So, day 1 winner with a bag of 2.86 kilos, Rayno Robertson.
A bag of a whole 1 fish.
That's how you got your bag.
Oh, you need it. Those that can't do teach. I used a 110 silent jerk and yeah, caught 1 fish.
Fine. Day 2 winner with a bag of 1.91 kilos. Gerald Venter. Done. Tell us how you caught it.
One was
Yeah,
1 fish.
basically, Z-Man fluke again. Mojo rigs on that point, just the rocks. That's all we could do. Dankie, dankie,
Oh,
dankie.
well done. 5th place, Gerard Boysen. Tell us how you 2 days. 4th place, looks like his new boat is helping him a lot. Vickers Horn. Vickers, tell us how you caught them.
Caught most of my fish on crank, and it's basically just casting on rocks and cranking and cranking and cranking.
Okay, 3rd place goes to Alistair Foster.
Well done, bud.
And he lost some good fish.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Done.
Yeah, just finesse fished 6-pound line and Gary Yamamoto flukes. What's it? The lemonade. Both days, same area. I was the only one fishing the rocks on the opposite bank there. 3 bites each day. That was it.
Oh, well done.
Well done, China.
Okay, largest fish. But this goes to a 2.86 kilogram fish. Rayno Robertson. This is a cash prize that all of you put in extra. So thank you everyone. Yeah. Okay, 2nd place.
Yeah, big fish like that.
Can I call up Number 1 and 2.
Yes.
Oh no, let's do it like this.
Rainer and
Second place,
Gerald.
Rainer Robertson.
Ah, thought so.
Hey, pipped it today.
Keep it in the outcasts, bro. Keep it in the outcasts.
Right. You can share your bait with other people. Okay, first place. And your new classic champion 2018. That all goes to a bag, 2-day bag. So that's probably one of the lowest ones that we've had in a while,
Yeah.
but still solid fishing for this dam. Bag of 4.7 kilos goes to Gerald Venter.
Good one.
Done.
Very well done.
Okay. Tell us how your
Wow.
weekend went.
Yeah, it was a tough weekend. Really tough. Like everyone knows, there was a couple of points that did produce, and we just worked that basically with the lures that you had. Z-Man that worked. We threw a couple of Senkos and broke off on a couple of wacky rigs. But yeah, everything.
I thought I was
basically
gonna
what
see
we all
him
did.
cry this weekend.
Bye donkey.
Losing all the tackles.
Show me.
Happy. Bye donkey.
Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed me not catching fish. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share it if you like it. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.